Hi everybody, it's Alana from Two Short Stories Academy, and today I have two little helpers with me from our toddler classroom, and we're going to make apple pie bars. Are you ready? Yeah? Alright, let's get started.
So you're going to need a combination of rolled oats and quick oats. You can use just rolled oats if you'd like, but the quick oats make the bars really chewy. So these bars are super soft, which make them a great snack for babies and toddlers. They're super easy to eat, and they're portable too for on the go. This recipe is very easy to make, so you can of course get your little ones involved. I had my friends help me pour the mixture, dump it, mix it, and of course taste it. I used a cup of each type of the oats, and I just wanted to combine the dry ingredients first. Next, we added 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Shelled hemp seeds would also work really well in this recipe. They are also really soft in texture and are high in protein and omega fats. Then we added 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, which has a lot of antioxidants in it. We're going to give the dry ingredients a good stir. Now for the best ingredient, unsweetened applesauce. So 1 cup of that. And we're going to sneak in a little taste test. We also need 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil for a dairy-free version, or you can use melted butter. And let's go for it and give it another taste test. Why not? Here's where things got a bit messy, as they usually do when baking with kids. All part of the fun. These guys are too cute. So everything's covered in oil and I'm a bit distracted, so my friend went in for a 3rd taste test. And yep, it still tastes good. So we added 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, and the bars were just a little bit sweet at the end. So if you want to make them a bit sweeter, I would add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And the syrup is always a big hit, so let's stir it up and give it an official taste test with spoons this time. So we packed the mixture into a 9-inch baking dish, and this seemed to be our favorite part. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven was heated, I baked the bars for 25 minutes. The bars came out a perfect golden color and they smelled wonderful. So I let them cool for a few minutes and then we enjoyed them outside. The bars tasted like apple crumble. They were so soft and chewy, the little ones loved them. So these can be stored in the fridge for about a week. Thanks for watching, friends. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out our Two Short Stories Instagram account for more amazing content. A big thank you to my little helpers in this video, and we'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!